Hi, it's Carolina with Always Expect More. Today we're working on embroidery basics and I'm showing you the French knot. Bring your needle up. Twist the thread around your needle one time. Then bring the needle back down a thread or two away from where you started. Keep your thread snug around the needle to get a nice tight knot. Don't pull too hard. Your French knot is complete. The French knot is a great stitch for adding texture or interest to your project. That's the basics of the French knot. Be sure to follow along for more stitching updates. Leave any questions or comments below, and thanks for watching.